Here's the Hamilton Beach coffee grinder. So we're going to take a look at how it works. Here's the dial for showing what level of coarseness, coarse, medium, or fine. And there's actually 3 settings. Here's the lever for the quantity. I'm going to fill it about half full, so I'm going to leave the lever about halfway down. So take off the plastic lid and then take out the stainless steel canister. Add my coffee beans, about half full. And then I'm going to put them back in. Make sure this locks into place. Put on the plastic lid, and also it needs to be checked to make sure that it's locking into place. So it's the lock symbol there. That's for safety. Next, obviously we need to plug it in. So I'm going to have to pull this down the bottom, which requires 2 hands. Unravel the cord. Of course, push it back. Plug the cord in. And then simply, I'm going to set it on medium grind. And again, it's about halfway full, the lever. So it is halfway in terms of capacity, about maybe 10 cups or 8. And then to start it, all I have to do is press this button. And it will go on its own until it's ready, when the coffee's all ground. So done, all by itself. Now I take the plastic lid off, carefully unplug first, then take the silver canister, stainless steel, out, and you can see the coffee grinds in there. Sometimes there's a bit left over, so the coffee grinder has a brush tool, which usually is pretty easy to get out. And it actually works quite well at brushing all the coffee off the bottom. And then, simply, if you want to clean out the canister, you can clean that out and put it back in for the next use, and then the plastic lid on top. I'm actually leaving the coffee in there. And again, always make sure that the plastic lid is in the lock position, and then to put the cord back you do need 2 hands, as I say. So I do find the sound of the coffee grinder is a little bit loud, but that's just my preference for a quieter grind. Other than that, it's super easy to use, super fun to clean with this little tool here, which I'll put back in. And very simple, simple use. Just a dial and a lever and a press button, push button.